What's going on, everyone? Honda Fit for Adventure here, and today we're going to be locating and replacing the fuse for your 12-volt accessory panel on your 2015 to 2020 Honda Fit. As you can see, my 12-volt accessory port is not working when I turned on the plugged-in device. My auxiliary fuel gauge, which is tied into the same circuit, is not illuminating either. The fuse for the accessory panel is located underneath the driver's side dashboard. The fuse you are looking for is a 20 amp low profile microblade fuse located in the top right corner of the fuse box. If you need help removing the fuse, there is a fuse removal tool located in the lid of the engine bay fuse box. Once the fuse is removed, go ahead and confirm that the fuse is blown before replacing it with the same size fuse. Once your fuse has been replaced, your 12-volt accessory panel should be in working order once again. Until next time, stay tuned and stay fit.